Most drivers in the US believe fuel injector cleaner is a smart move. You pour a bottle into the tank, drive a little, and expect better power, smoother idle, and better gas mileage. It feels like cheap insurance. But here's the truth almost no one tells you. Most injector cleaners don't clean modern engines at all. Some of them quietly damage sensors. Some shorten injector life. Others slowly kill catalytic converters. And the scariest part? You usually don't notice until the repair bill shows up. Modern engines are not like old ones. Today's cars run hotter, cleaner, and under much higher pressure. Direct injection engines build hard carbon, not soft gum. That carbon doesn't melt away with strong smells or quick-burning chemicals. Many popular cleaners are still stuck in the past. They rely on old solvent chemistry that flashes off before it can clean anything important. Instead of fixing the problem, they create new ones. Today, we're breaking down 5 fuel injector cleaners you should avoid, and later, 2 that actually work. No hype, no brand loyalty, just chemistry and real-world results. Let's start with one of the most common bottles in America. Worst cleaner number 1. Seafoam motor treatment. Seafoam is everywhere. Auto parts stores, truck stops, marine shops, even small engine aisles. It's one of the most recognized fuel additives in the United States. The label promises a lot. Cleaner injectors, smoother idle, quieter lifters, better fuel stability, extra lubrication. For a driver dealing with rough running or hesitation, Seafoam sounds like the perfect fix. But once you look past the marketing, the reality is very different. What Seafoam is really made of? Seafoam is mostly petroleum distillates, isopropyl alcohol, light oil. What's missing is the most important thing for modern injector cleaning, polyethylamine. Often called PEA, is the only detergent proven to survive extreme combustion heat and chemically break down hard carbon deposits inside injectors and combustion chambers. Seafoam does not contain it. That difference matters more than anything else. Why Seafoam fails in modern engines? Modern injector deposits are not soft or sticky. They are hard, baked on, formed under extreme heat and pressure. This is especially true in direct injection engines, which now dominate the US market. Solvents, like the ones in Seafoam, burn off too quickly. They may loosen old fuel residue or gum, but they cannot detach hard carbon from injector tips. That's why Seafoam works best for engines that have been sitting, carburetors, small engines, fuel storage situations. But that's not what most people are using it for. The smoke is not proof of cleaning. Many drivers believe Seafoam works because of the huge clouds of smoke when it's sprayed into the intake. That smoke looks dramatic, so it must be cleaning, right? Not exactly. That smoke is mostly burning oil, burned off solvents, loosened debris. It is not proof that carbon inside the injector or combustion chamber was removed. In fact, many technicians warn that this process can foul spark plugs, push debris into oxygen sensors, overload weak catalytic converters. Long-term risk. Using Seafoam again and again adds more material that has to burn. Burned oil leaves ash behind. Over time, that ash can load up catalytic converters, gasoline particulate filters. Replacing those parts often costs too. Seafoam isn't useless, but it is not a true injector cleaner for modern engines. For today's cars, it's mostly a placebo with real risks. Worst cleaner, number 2. Prestone Fuel Injector Cleaner. Prestone is a familiar name in the US. Most drivers trust it because the brand has been around for decades. When people see Prestone on a bottle, they assume safety and quality. That trust is exactly why this cleaner sells so well. What's actually in the bottle? When you look at the technical information, Prestone's injector cleaner is mostly mineral spirits, aromatic solvents like acetylene and naphthalene. In simple terms, this is very close to paint thinner. What you will not find is PEA, the detergent proven to clean hard carbon deposits in modern injectors. Why solvents aren't enough. Solvents can rinse, soft varnish, clean old fuel lines, help carbureted engines, but modern injectors don't fail because of soft varnish. They fail because of rock-hard carbon that forms under extreme heat. Solvents burn off before reaching those deposits. That means no real injector cleaning, no spray pattern restoration, no long-term improvement. Some drivers report slight improvement after one tank. That usually comes from minor octane change or temporary fuel flow changes, not actual cleaning. The real cost of trusting it. If injectors continue to clog, injector replacement can cost 7. Catalytic converter damage can exceed. A bottle that feels like cheap insurance can turn into a very expensive mistake. Worst cleaner number 3. Lucas Fuel Treatment. Lucas Fuel Treatment markets itself as something different. It doesn't just promise cleaning, it promises lubrication too. To many drivers, that sounds smart. Why not clean and protect at the same time? The truth behind the label: Lucas Fuel Treatment is mostly heavy petroleum oils, mineral oil-based distillates. It openly states that it contains no solvents and no alcohols. That might sound good, but it reveals the real issue. This product is oil, not a detergent. Why oil can't clean injectors? Oil cannot break down carbon, survive combustion temperatures, restore injector spray patterns. Only high-temperature detergents like PEA can do that. Lucas Fuel Treatment may add lubrication, slightly smooth operation, but it does not clean injectors in modern engines. Hidden long-term risk. Burned oil creates ash. That ash slowly builds up in catalytic converters, gasoline particulate filters. These parts are not cheap. Replacement often costs $2,000. Even many mechanics admit Lucas Deep Clean is the real cleaner. Regular Lucas Fuel Treatment is mainly a lubricant. In modern cars already running detergent gasoline, extra oil is unnecessary and risky. Worst cleaner. Number 4. Gum Out High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner. Anything labeled high mileage feels like it should be stronger. Engines with over 75,000 miles usually have more buildup, so drivers naturally believe this bottle is designed for tougher jobs. Sadly, it's not. What the formula is missing. Gum Out openly admits something very important on its own website. PEA is the detergent that actually removes hard carbon deposits. They even list which of their products contain it. Notice what's missing from that list. Gum Out High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner does not contain PEA. Instead, the formula is mostly petroleum distillates, small amounts of aromatic solvents. That's the exact chemistry high-mileage engines don't need. Why this is a big problem. High-mileage engines often suffer from injector tip carbon, distorted spray patterns, misfires, rough idle. These problems are caused by hard, baked-on carbon, especially in direct injection engines. Solvent-heavy formulas can soften gum, but they burn off too fast, cannot survive combustion heat, do not chemically break carbon. So the bottle designed for older engines lacks the one ingredient older engines need most: the expensive outcome. When carbon remains, injectors wear out faster. Misfires stress the catalytic converter. Repair costs add up quickly. Injectors, catalytic converter. This bottle sells comfort, not real protection. Worst cleaner. Number 5. Berryman B12 Chem Tool. Berryman B12 has been around forever. Many older mechanics still swear by it, and for certain jobs, it does work. But those jobs belong to the past. Why B12 is stuck in the carburetor era? B12 is packed with toluene, acetone, methanol, fast evaporating solvents. These chemicals clean fast, then disappear just as fast. In modern engines, that means no time to clean injector carbon, no protection for direct injection systems. Modern engines need precision, not force. Today's injectors operate at extremely high pressure and temperature. The carbon that forms is hard, heat-baked, chemically bonded. Harsh solvents can't remove it. They only rinse soft residue, increase wear on seals, raise risk to oxygen sensors. Used repeatedly, these solvents can overheat catalytic converters and shorten sensor life. Where B12 still belongs, B12 still works for old carbureted engines, lawn equipment, engines that sat with stale fuel. But for modern American cars, it's the wrong tool. Best cleaner. Number 1. Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Redline SI1 is not designed to feel gentle. It's designed to work. This cleaner is built around a very high concentration of PEA, far higher than most store-brand additives. That alone puts it in a different category. Why SI1 works? PEA survives combustion temperatures that destroy solvents. Instead of flashing off, attacks hard carbon, cleans injector tips, restores spray patterns, helps clean the upper combustion chamber. Older safety data showed that a huge portion of this bottle is active detergent. That explains why many drivers feel results after just one tank. Real-world results drivers notice. After one treatment, many users report smoother idle, better throttle response, reduced hesitation, improved fuel mileage. Some even notice reduced knock, which allows the engine to run more efficiently. Unlike solvent cleaners, SI1 doesn't just rinse. It chemically dissolves deposits where power is lost. When to use it? SI1 works best when idle feels rough, acceleration is uneven, fuel economy has dropped. In many cases, one bottle prevents injector service that would cost hundreds of dollars. Best cleaner. Number 2, BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. Ask almost any dealership technician what they trust, and BG44K is usually the answer. This product earned its reputation inside service bays, not through flashy ads. What makes BG44K different? BG44K is heavily loaded with PEA, just like SI1, but it's designed to be used in a strong, focused dose. BG recommends one full can, 13 to 20 gallons of fuel. That high concentration is why it works when others fail. What it actually fixes, BG44K is known to clean clogged injectors, restore smooth idle, improve throttle response, help pass emissions tests. Many drivers notice results within the first 50 to 1. Why it saves money? The bottle isn't cheap, but compare it to injector replacement, 7. Catalytic converter repair. One tank with BG44K often prevents those repairs entirely. Final takeaway, choose chemistry, not hype. Most fuel injector cleaners don't fail because they're fake. They fail because they use the wrong chemistry. Avoid cleaners that rely on solvents, alcohol, oil-based formulas. Look for cleaners that clearly list polyethylamine, PE. Out of everything on the shelf, 5 popular cleaners quietly do damage. 2 truly protect modern engines. Now you know the difference. Instead of trusting marketing, trust chemistry. Your engine and your wallet will thank you.